Okay, so something a little bit different today because I was just starting to make something with some Sculpey clay. Just thought I'd give it a go, and then I thought, well, may as well film it and show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make a vase kind of thing. So to start off with, we're just gonna make some sausages. You'll have to excuse my son upstairs, as usual, playing his games and going off. Yeah, he gets a little bit excited. So just roll it out to the length that you want. It's pretty simple to do. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to use this vase. It's actually a pesto jar. So I use them to keep buttons in and little bits of leftover confetti stuff from the cricket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these and spiral it around. So I'll just finish making these. Trying to keep them a uniform width, but you know, being a bit organic's good. Because I'm thinking I might paint them after they're on. So I've got, I don't know how many of them I'm going to need. So I've already made one. So now we have two, and they're pretty much the same length. So all we're going to do, just move that out of the way. So I'm just going to lay it on there. I'm just going to, oh, that didn't work. Just going to snail it around. Pushing it down to sort of get it to grip onto its other bit. That's a bit thin there, but I don't think it'll matter. I'm not going to be using these to put anything with water in it. It'll probably just be just faux flowers, probably, or faux greenery. Actually, I have an idea of what might look good in it. Something else we can DIY. So I think I might need one more to make my rope. So I will make that. Maybe actually I might need two more. Whoops, sorry, rocking the camera. This one might be a bit thinner, but anyway. I actually might only need one more. Sorry, I was going out of frame there a bit. What I'm just doing is I'm just pressing it down with my fingers, just sort of filling any gap, so it still gives it the textured look. There we go. That's better. Still. Alright. Actually, I think I like how this is turning out. A little bit different. Nice and textured still. So, let's see. I didn't, I just realised I didn't put anything on the jar, so I can't actually get the jar out now. That wasn't very clever. Oh well. We'll pop it in the oven and see how it goes. I'm just gonna make a bottom for it, I think. Because I don't think I'll leave it in the jar. I like the organicness of it. I actually think it might look cute as a little pot, a little succulent in it. Just decided to do a little spoolie design on there. So we'll pop that in the oven and see how it goes. Don't know how I'm going to get it out, but we'll see. So as suspected, the jar didn't come out even after I took it out of the oven. If you want to do this, and if I'm going to do it again, I'll probably like, I don't know, put some oil or something maybe on the glass to make it come out. I'm not sure what the best thing to do, or maybe some cling wrap and then take it out before I put it in the oven. But yeah, it turned out quite cute. I painted the lid white, probably could do with another coat, and then I'm just going to use it to keep my buttons and stuff like that in. It's just something a little bit different, so I hope you like it. And also while I'm here, I'll just give you a bit of a quick update on how Cohen's going. We're heading back down to Westmead on Monday, so it's current on Monday the 6th of September, for his final cycle of his clinical trial. So yeah, hopefully that goes well, and then we'll find out. He had some CT scans done last week, and we'll find out the full results of those as well. And then I think he has more scans in October to find out exactly where we're at. So yeah, moving along one day at a time. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the little bell notification. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.